This is me being a lazy mother. I decided to go fishing to feel proactive. Come and fish again with me. This time, watch me struggle with my bobber because apparently it didn't want to float. I don't know what happened. I don't think it was my fault.
Do not know about you, Bubba.
What do you mean?
About that white dusty over.
Okay, let's see if this is over. Give me what you need. Why isn't this floating?
Probably just calling everything.
Okay, I think I did something wrong.
I see the spark of the call.
Okay, we're gonna do it again. See what happens. This is not working. I don't know what happened. Okay, it's looking like this is not working. So we're gonna try another method. Don't call the ducks. How do you know he's your best friend?
That means he likes me.
Just like that. Now we tie a knot. I'm playing.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this one more time. This better be the lucky one. We're gonna cast it one more time.
Lisa, it's fun.
Throw it one more time, cause I guess I need more patience. I'm not doing it until I get a fish. So we have to go home and fix that because I'm done trying for today. I'll see you on the next try.